Alright, we're going to go over basic nomenclature in this video for organic chemistry. So, when we have one carbon, we call this a methyl group. Methyl. Okay, so that is just CH3 attached to some molecule. I'm drawing this scribble representing some molecule M. Right, so this is a methyl group. For the alkene, we call it methane. For the alkene, it's methane. We add this ane suffix at the end. So methane just looks like this. It's CH4. This is methane, which is equivalent to CH4. Okay. So now 2 carbons. Let's do 2 carbons. That's an ethyl. So we have a CH2 with a CH3 attached to some molecule. So this is an ethyl. It has 1, 2 carbons. The alkene is ethane. Which looks like this. C2H6. This is ethane for the alkene, right? An alkene is a molecule that just has single bonds. And so it just consists of sigma bonds. Sigma bonds. Sigma, which are single bonds. If we had an alkene, so an alkane, the suffix ane is single bonded. Alkene, ene, so an alkene is double bonded. Alkene would look like that. So this would be ethene now. And if it was, this would go away, right? These would go away because the carbons want 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So enough on that. Let's proceed to 3 carbons. That's a propyl group. Propyl. So that's CH2 attached to a CH2 attached to a CH3. Or you can call it a methyl group, which is attached to some molecule. All right, so this is a propyl group. It has 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3. So the skeletal structure would just look like right? Sorry. It would look like this. 1, 2, 3 carbons. Propane, which you most likely have heard of, is just this. I don't know why I'm doing that. This is propane. Okay, this is propane. So the alkene for a propyl group is this, propane. So let's proceed to 4 carbons, which is a butyl group. Right, this is a butyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Okay, butyl. Okay, 5 carbons. Is a pentyl group, which we don't really use often. One, two, three, 4, 5. So a pentyl alkane, a pentyl alkane is pentane. Okay. Okay, now to 6 carbons, which is a hexyl group. Right? So it just has 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hexyl alkane is hexane, which looks like this. This is hexane. Okay, so to 7 carbons now. Heptyl just has 7 carbons, right? Heptane, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a heptane. So you can see the logic here. It's quite simple. Octane has 8 carbons. 8 carbons. 9 carbons is nonane. Let me make that eligible. Nonane, nonane. And then 10 carbons is decane. 9 carbons, 10 carbons. Okay, so that's basic nomenclature, and it's quite simple to see the logic here.